Hello children, welcome to mathpark. In our part, today we are going to learn about surface area and volume. Okay, now this topic is very useful for grade 8, 9, 10 as well for all the boards, right? Preferably, I have chosen the questions which are more important for grade 8. So do watch till end. So this video consists of MCQ as well as short answer and long answer type questions. So we start here with the MCQs. The volume of a cube having one side 7 centimeter in length. Now side is 7 centimeter and it's a cube. And volume of a cube is length into length into length, right? So it is going to be centimeter cube. So cube of 7 is 343. Now do not get confused between this and this. So the unit of volume is going to be centimeter cube. So this is going to be our answer. The volume of a cube of side 0.01 meter in centimeter cube. So let us convert this 0.01 meter, which is equal to actually 1 centimeter, right? So the volume of a cube is going to be 1 centimeter cube. Got it? Okay, now let's take up few more questions. What will be the area of a trapezium having two parallel sides as 10 centimeter and 12 centimeter and the height as 4 centimeters? So this is MCQ and we need to solve it very fast. So area of a trapezium is half h in bracket a plus b. Okay, so half height is going to be here 4 and the sum of parallel side which is 10 plus 12. So when we simplify this, it is just 10 plus 12 is 22 and 22 times 2 is 44. So 22 times 2 is 44 centimeter square. So this is going to be the area of a trapezium. The surface area of a cube whose edge is 11 centimeter. So surface area of a cube is given by the formula 6 into side square, right? So 6 into it becomes 11 square, which is 121, which gives me 726 centimeter square. Okay, if the height of a cylinder is half and its volume will also be half times. Remember, the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. And now if it is half, then it is going to be pi r square h by 2. So what is happening? It is becoming half time. Okay, after solving few MCQs, let us start solving some questions which can be asked for 2 or 3 marks. Now the length, breadth and the height of the room are given 8 meter, 6.5 meter and 3.5 meter respectively. Find the volume of the air contained in the room. Now volume of the air is equal to length into breadth into height. So let us substitute 8 into 6.5 into 3.5 and when we simplify it, we get 182 cubic meter. Got it? So just knowing the formula it becomes easy. Find the curved surface area and total surface area of a cylinder, the diameter of whose base is 7 centimeter and the height is 60 centimeter. Now the surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. So when we solve this 2 pi RH, let us put the value of pi, we will take 22 by 7 whenever the radius is in the multiple of 7. 2 pi r into h, which is 60, and on simplifying this we get this as 2640 square centimeter. Now the surface area, the total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. Let us put the values in this and we get it 2 into again 22 by 7, the radius is 7 and height is 60 plus 7. So this is how we get 2 into 22 into 67, which we get as 2948 square centimeters. Okay, let's take few more questions. Find the length of the side of a cube whose total surface area measures 600 centimeters square. Now total surface area of a cube is 6L square. So L, that means 6L square is same as 600. So you get L square is equal to 600 divided by 6, which becomes 100. So you get length of a edge is equal to square root of 100, which is 10 centimeter. So this is how we get the length of the side of a cube as 10 centimeter. Got it? Now find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 57 centimeter and 33 centimeter and the distance between them. So this distance between them is called as height. So let us put the values here. So we get half a plus b, which is sum of parallel side, that is 57 plus 33. and height which is 13 centimeter. So when we get 57 plus 33, we get 90 multiplied by 13. So when we divide by 2, we get it as 45. And now 45 into 13, 585 centimeter square. So just remember, this is going to be height. So the distance between the two parallel sides is height and the parallel sides are given. Just knowing the formula, it's easy for us to do. Okay. Now, the radii of two right circular cylinders are in the ratio 2:3 and their heights are in the ratio 5:4. Calculate the ratio of their curved surface area and also the ratio of their volumes. Now the ratio of curved surface area. What is the formula for the curved surface area of a cylinder? So curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. Okay, so this is the formula. So if I have to put R1, let me take the cylinder, this as R1 and this as R2. Okay, now this is my H1 and this is my H2. So 2 pi R1 upon 2 pi R2 and H1, H2, if I substitute, this pi and 2 is going to get cancelled. And if I put R, it is 2, and if it is 2x, so we'll be taking as 2 is 2x, 2x and x, if I take x gets cancelled. So let us take the ratio because it is 2:3. So 2, and the height is 5 for the first one, and the second one, the radius is 3 and the height is 4. So if I simplify this, I get 2 2s are 4, and my ratio is 3 into 2 is 5 upon 6. So the ratio of the curved surface of area of the cylinder is 5:6. Now let us find the ratio of the volumes. Now formula for volume is for the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. So we will be putting the value pi r1 square h1 upon pi r2 square h2. Let us simplify this. Your r1 square is again 2 square, h1 is 5, r2 square is 3 square, and h2 is again 4. So when we simplify this, I get 4 into 5 upon 9 into 4. 3 square is 9 and this is 5 here. So when I simplify this, I'm getting the ratio of their values as 5:9. Got it? Easy, just knowing the formula and putting it. If we take the ratio as 2x and 3x, even though the x is going to be cancelled. So let us take the radius as r1 and r2. Right? So this becomes easy. Let's move on to the next question. The wheel of the car has an outer radius of 21 centimeter. Calculate how far the car has traveled after one complete turn of a wheel. Now, distance the car traveled after one complete turn of a wheel is the circumference of the wheel. And what is the formula for circumference? It is 2 pi r. So when we put the value 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is again 21, 7 ones and 7 threes, and simplify this, you get it as 132 centimeter. Okay, now next question is how many times the wheel turns for a journey of 1 kilometer. So children, just remember, how do I find the number of turns? So the distance is equal to number of turns multiplied by the circumference of the wheel. Okay, so if I rearrange the formula to find the number of turns, it becomes distance, this circumference of the wheel moves down. So it is distance divided by circumference of the wheel. Now the distance is given in kilometer and circumference which we calculated is in centimeter. So we need to convert 1 kilometer into centimeter. So 1 kilometer is actually 1 lakh centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Okay. So let us put the value here, and 1 lakh centimeter divided by 132 centimeter, we get 757.57. On rounding it up, as it is number of turns, we are talking of number of turns. So we can say that approximately 758 times the wheel turns for a journey of 1 kilometer. Did you all understand, children? So if you are able to solve these problems, any question of this type you will be able to solve. So learn the formulae, practice it. Whatever your doubts are there, please put in the comment section. Thank you for watching.